All right, coming up first is Mark Kosenbach with Mark and Mary Conjun and D&D Manufacturing. K69 is Mark Kosenbach. K321 is Mason Kosenbach. Brought to you by Daddy's Money. Somebody wrote a check for that one. And number 11 is Anthony Miller with Quality Equipment. 3, 2, 1, green flag! Ooh, siren storm. Red flag, hold your positions. Red flag, red flag. Red flag, hold your positions. Red flag. In 3, 2, 1, green flag, green flag. Oh, they break the pile. Here they come. Red flag, hold your positions. Red flag. Red flag, hold your positions. Looks like we're down to 3 out there. Three, 2, 1, green flag, green flag. We got 2 still moving out there. Make the contact. There we go. Got the steam blowing out. Victor flag, 69, Victor flag. We're down to 2. Anthony Miller and Mason Kosenbach. He's got a tough time finding reverse in his car. Shot forward. Red flag. Red flag. Mason Kosenbach, the winner of the compact. Anthony Miller takes his second. Mark Kosenbach in third, and Jacoby